Lumina Seats is a North America-based company dedicated to delivering professional seating solutions for tractors, lawn mowers, and heavy-duty equipment. Built for real working environments, our products are designed to perform in agriculture, landscaping, warehousing, and industrial applications where durability and comfort truly matter. With an in-house testing laboratory, integrated manufacturing equipment, and a complete quality control system, Lumina Seats ensures every product meets high standards of strength, safety, and reliability. From advanced suspension systems to ergonomic seat design, we focus on reducing operator fatigue and improving productivity. Lumina Seats, engineered for performance, built for the demands of real work.